Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you the quickest way to resize your Canva design to perfect A4. Open Canva and click Create. Select Custom Size. If you're unsure about A4 dimensions, simply search for A4 size in Canva online. This will provide the exact measurements to enter, ensuring your design matches standard A4 paper dimensions accurately. Set the dimension units to millimeters. Enter the width as 210 and the height as 297. Confirm both values are correct. After setting these dimensions, click the Create New Design button to proceed. This sets up your workspace with the standard A4 size for your project. Ensure all settings are accurate before moving on. This is the Canva A4 page. Use the toolbar to add text, images, or elements. Adjust size and color for your design. Save or share your project when done. This is page 1. Click the Add Page button to create a new page and continue building your project seamlessly. Now you know how to switch your Canva design to A4 size and subscribe for more quick tips.